What is this, madam? What is the problem?
If I can just explain in brief, there was a victim in Mysore,
Oh,
a victim of sexual assault by one
Huh.
of the leaders of the Mysore church.
all right.
She happened to approach one priest and one doctor
Huh.
for help.
all right.
Finally, because she was not agreeing to all their favors, she resigned from the bishop's house.
Huh.
That happened in 2019. She resigned from the bishop's house,
Huh.
and thereafter, she managed to catch hold of a press reporter to find out about this leader of the church, about his illicit relationships.
Hmm.
Thereafter, this victim, when the leader of the church came to know about this, he kidnapped the victim. She was kidnapped under the pretext of killing a minor child.
Hmm.
He's a bishop of Mysore. It's it's quite a popular case of 2019 of
Popular
Mysore.
case? Huh.
It is because it was in the headlines.
Huh.
It was in the headlines.
Now what is the problem?
Now my problem is that the victim whom the activist and the priest were helping against the bishop, because she was a victim of sexual assault. So it had so happened that in no time she filed a case against all the social activists and priests. Some of the priests are around 85-year-old doctors and social activists who were never in contact with her also. Managed to file a false case against all these social activists and priests.
Why did you move it at 2:30?
I moved it because there is an there is a IA. I moved yesterday because
right.
she has been circulating WhatsApp posts and YouTube videos. Her in some way because she's a respondent and it's during the pendency of the criminal case that
And
she's.
without hearing her, I will not pass any order.
I have
To
already.
seek restraint to whatever you go to the civil court and seek a injunction against all these channels or whatever that broadcasting. I will not grant in this. This is a case where a sought for quashing of the proceedings. Is that so?
During the pendency of the.
Oh, is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
During the pendency.
If that
of
is
the-
so, then we will not grant any collateral relief that is to be granted by a competent court.
At least the respondent be restrained from uploading such videos because there are priests.
Oh,
who
no,
are-
that is before some other court. He'll quashing
and I already served
in a petition that
yesterday.
is called for quashing of the proceedings. I will not grant any collateral relief.
I sent her a notice yesterday and she has already received the notice that was issued by
I
the
have not.
Honorable Court.
Where I have issued notice in this, is it?
Yes, on
When?
23rd July it was issued notice and 9th
3rd July.
23rd
Tag this
July.
petition along with so and so.
Yes, 23rd July the notice was issued.
Emergent notice to the complainant in all these cases.
There is also,
Put up these matters immediately after notice. Yeah,
yes,
without hearing the respondent, I'm not going to pass any order, much less an order of restraint of whatever kind that you're asking. That is,
will go before, but it's all pertaining to the criminal cause that is pending in the JMFC court. My concern is restraining the respondent. She's a respondent in this matter.
let her come. When was it taken, sir?
23.
23, my lord. That's all.
Even then, it's all right. What is PCR is of 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you're seeking quashment of the complaint itself, PCR.
It's a false complaint.
Yes.
Even the trial court noted if my lord sees the order on page.
Madam, it's a false complaint or what falls from the complaint, we will see.
Your lordship, there is an order whereby even the trial court noticed that it's a false allegation. And thereafter, the leader of the church, his FIR was.
So unless I hear the respondent complainant, I'm not going to pass any order.
Because
It is already issued. She served on 9/9.
I served her a copy yesterday. She did not come today.
No problem. We'll.
It's a
await
case where there are 85-year-old victim, accused
Victim?
persons.
accused.
In fact, they are victims now. They are victims. Some of them
Right.
are bedridden.
You have 1 minute.
So-
You have been granted bail.
Father Gilbert Arana is 64.
Which father? We'll
And
see.
one of the priests
Let-
was on the verge of committing suicide. A
Let-
73-year-old.
All right. Let the complainant come. By the next date, if she doesn't come, we'll pass some.
The petitioner, Father Beckett, he was on the verge of committing suicide. He was rescued timely because nearly 6 lakh views. I have written to the ministries, all the ministries have written to Google LC.
List the
The
matter.
only concern,
1 minute. List the matter on Wednesday in the fresh matters list, awaiting the representation of the complainant as she has been served on 9/9/2024.